Hello everyone! Hello grade 5! I am teacher Edith and welcome to our math class. Today, we're going to discuss uses different strategies, looking for a pattern, working backwards and others to solve for the unknown in a simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fractions. Let's define what is an equation. Equation is a mathematical sentence that involves numbers or symbols that represent numbers and uses the equal sign. Or it is a statement of equality between two expressions. We have here an example of an equation. Take note, each equation has equal sign. It tells us that the expression on the left is equivalent to the equation to the right. An open equation, on the other hand, it contains one or more variables. Examples of an open equations are n minus 4 is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 10, 5 plus x is equal to 8, 2x minus y is equal to 3. The encircled letters are so-called variables. When we say variable, is a symbol for a number that we don't know yet. The letters X, Y, and Z are the common generic symbols used for variables. Constant, a fixed quantity that does not vary. In 4x minus 7 is equal to 5, 7 and 5 are the constant numbers. When we say solution, a solution to equation is the value for a variable that makes the equation a true statement. Properties of equality. Number 1, addition property of equality. If A equals B, then A plus C is equal to B plus C, wherein A, B, C are whole numbers. Let us look at the numerical equation 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. To explore the idea of an equation as being balanced, the expression on each side of the equal sign are equal. We can add the same value to each side. 4 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 3. Since each equation is equal to 13, adding 3 to each side of the original equation still results in a true equation. So, in the addition property of equality, if two expressions are equal to each other, you add the same value of both sides of the equation remains equal. Let's try. We have an equation 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Applying the addition property of equality, we can add the same number or value to each side, the left and the right side. For example, we add 8 in both sides. So, 5 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 9 plus 8. So, we're going to add 5 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 17. And 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So, the equation is true. 17 is equal to 17. In subtraction, property of equality states that if A equals B, then A minus C is equal to B minus C, where A, B, and C are whole numbers. In other words, we can always subtract the same quantity or number from both sides of the equation. For example, if we have the equation x plus 6 is equal to 8, that the subtraction property of equality allows us to subtract 6 to both sides of the equation to get the x equals 2. We have another example of an equation. Y plus 10 is equal to 19. Applying the subtraction property of equality, we can always subtract the same quantity or number from both sides of the equation to find the value of y. So the value of y is equal to 9. The multiplication property of equality states that if A equals B, then A times C is equal to B times C, where A, B, C are whole numbers. In other words, we can always multiply the same quantity or number from both sides of the equation. For example, if we have the equation x over 2 is equal to 5, then in the multiplication property of equality allows us to multiply both sides of the equation by 2 to get x equals 10. Another example, we have y over 4 is equal to 10. Then in the multiplication property of equality allows us to multiply to both sides of the equation by 4 to get y equals 40. This ends